The 34-inch by 23-inch dog grass pad is designed with a 3-layer system that efficiently separates and collects urine to prevent spills and keep floors dry. This dog potty training tool features realistic and soft artificial grass that mimics the feel of real grass, helping to make potty training a more natural experience for dogs. Equipped with dense drainage holes and a high water permeability design, this pad quickly drains moisture, ensuring your pet's paws stay clean and the area remains odor-free. The easy-to-clean design of the grass pad allows for quick rinsing with soapy water, making maintenance straightforward and time-efficient. Versatile in its use, this portable grass pad is suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments, allowing you to provide a comfortable potty solution wherever needed. The multi-purpose nature of this pad makes it ideal for travel, ensuring your dog's comfort in apartments, RVs, and other locations when you are on the move.